Hi, my name's Karen E. Wells and welcome to this fully accredited professional EFT course. Our courses are fully accredited by the IICT and the CTAA, which means that you can be rest assured they're of an incredible standard. So let's look at what this EFT course includes. EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. And what that means is that you're going to use the techniques that we give you in this course to be able to help people to let go of those emotions, those blocks that are holding them back for living their life like they want to. We're looking at the tapping routine. We're looking at healing the body. We're looking at what EFT is, the meridians and everything to do with this wonderful therapy. I really hope that you're going to join us on this course. I'm going to work you through the video modules, but you'll also find that we also provide an in-depth training manual that goes alongside the course too. So you've got all the resources that you need to make you become a successful EFT therapist. I'm also on hand 7 days a week, so whenever you're listening to this course, whenever you're watching it, reading the information, if there's something you're not sure about, post it in our forum and I'll get back to you. You don't need to stop that flow. Once you're in the flow of learning, it needs to continue. So rest assured you've got that support here. I'm really excited to see you on this EFT course and I'll see you on Module 1. Have a great day.